Hi there, Michael Griffiths here, founder of Referral Marketing Guru, and welcome to this week's Get More Referrals Today podcast. Today, I want to talk about the business you're really in. Because so many people go, I'm in finance, I'm in legal, I'm in accounting, I'm in bookkeeping, I'm in marketing, I'm in coaching, I'm in consulting, it doesn't matter. That's the reason why someone's going to buy you. Where in fact, the majority of the time, it's not. I want to share with you the real business that you're in. We call it H2H. But before we get into that, as always, if this is the first time you're joining us, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Whether you're on our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're listening to this on your favorite podcast platform, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode as we come to you every single week, helping you grow your business, helping you get in front of more people, helping you leverage into other people's networks, and most importantly, helping you get more clients so that you can make bigger impact out there in society. So let's dive into where we want to go today. Today, what sort of business are you really in? And when I think about service businesses, you are all in the same business, human to human, H to H. Okay? Because when you think about it like that, you're going to start to do things very differently. See, the majority of businesses, in fact, I'd probably say every single business that I come across that's a service-based business, they're offering a service, they really care about their people. They really care about the outcomes that they deliver. They really care about making an impact to other people. Now, if you're one of those businesses, then probably more than ever, you understand the importance of relationships. You understand the importance of being a particular way with people. You understand the importance and the need for connection. And that's why we are all in the H2H business. When you think about, okay, I'm in a H2H business, well, what sort of things would you do differently with your marketing? What sort of things would you do differently with your nurturing? What sort of things would you do different in your delivery with your clients so they become raving fans? We always talk about the three key things. We talk about how are you going to attract, how are you going to convert, nurture, and how are you going to deliver in a way that turns your clients into raving fans. So a H2H business, when they attract, is focused in on relationships. A H2H business, when they are nurturing convert, they're not worried about just building out funnels. They know that people buy from them because of the relationship that they keep. I thought this was really interesting. So people watching this as a recording on YouTube, I'm just going to hold this little graphic up. People are listening to this on a podcast, I'll just let you know what it says. See, we call it the buyer's world. In the buyer's world, there's 3% of people who are actually ready to buy. That's it, 3%. There are 7% open to buying. There are 60% who aren't thinking about buying your thing right now or don't think they need it, but could change their mind. So when you think about it, there's 70% who are in that possibly they might buy from you. And then there are 30% that are just simply not interested. You see, one of the problems with people's marketing is they think everyone's ready to buy from them. And the simple fact is they're not. 3% are ready to buy, 7% are open to buying, and 60% actually right now having convinced themselves that they actually need what it is that you offer. Now, that's pretty big when you think about then how you should be marketing yourself. So you should be marketing yourself in a way that is about building relationships. Very few people, especially in a service-orientated business, have people who just go, oh, I need that, and within an hour later, they've bought it. They've gone through a whole process internally themselves. I have this pain point. I've been researching. I've been looking around. I've been asking friends and family or colleagues. I've got a bunch of different names. I've gone and checked them out. And now they start making conversation and connection with you. It's why I've always said how people see leads is just, it's wrong. Because then you put this thing that a lead's ready to buy from you. No, 3 out of every 100 are open to buying. So 10 out of every 100 are in that green zone of, you know what, I'm open to buying. I don't know whether it's you or not, but I'm open to buying. Then 60 out of that 100 could change their mind. Okay, could end up going, you know what, this would actually make my life better. And when you understand those numbers, you start to do things very differently. So we've got people who are listening to this for the very first time. You come to us, maybe someone mentioned it. Maybe you just found it by mistake. Maybe you searched referrals and up it came. Then we've got other people who've been listening for 3 years, 5 years, 7 years. Not a single person do I see as the 3%, the 7%, the 60%, or the 30% not interested. If a person is here, then there is something that they would really like to change. Whether that's growing their business, whether that's more referrals, whether it's just having a better business, whether it's just the smoothing, calm nature of my voice. Joking. Hey? But for whatever reason, if we can help in our small little way, then that's fantastic. That's how I see people. Because it's up to us to nurture that relationship, to begin that relationship, to find out how our people are. And when we do that, that's when we end up getting a better business. Hopefully that's been super helpful. And I want to make sure that you leave here thinking, how could you do things very differently to what you're doing right now? Till next time, look forward to speaking to you real soon. Have a fantastic week. And if you need any help, just reach out. Support@michaelgriffiths.com.au. I'll talk to you real soon, team. Take care.